Well, Kelly, the live stream will probably start soon, I guess.
Okay.
I'll try it though. Yeah. Oh, what's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. I'm back with. I don't own the song in the background, y'all. So anyway, I'm gonna step a little back, you know. Yeah, so we over here having a little party, a little get together. Okay, so you see, family is everything, you know. All right. Oh, the can opener. Oh, you mean bottle opener? Oh, y'all won't be on the show, huh? You won't be on my show?
No.
All right.
You make it.
All right. So anyway, y'all, family is everything, you know. All right. So we all right. All right. So anyway, I don't own this song in the background just in case y'all so you know my mama from the great beyond told me to come over here, you know. Rest in peace, Mom. I had to come here because you told me to, and I'm afraid to upset you even though you're not here with us, you know. I don't own that song in the background either. Jaheim and Next, okay. I forgot the name of the song. Came out in 2001. All right, so disregard that, y'all. So you see, ladies and gentlemen, I had to come this way just to partake. I bought all my cameras though. Okay. So, but unfortunately, I haven't uploaded yet. You know. I thought I'd upload the beginning part on YouTube. You know. If you're watching this on YouTube, you'll see it's on YouTube. Okay. Oh yeah, and y'all know Kelly and that's Denim right there. Look out! Look. Oh, Denim, you want to say something? All right. So disregard that song in the background, y'all. So I'm about to go to YouTube Live. If it's already on YouTube, it's already on YouTube. All right. See y'all later.